Hey guys, it's Jeremiah, Stone Blue Airlines, and today, taking a little road trip. By road trip, I don't mean the road. We're gonna hop on a plane, we're gonna head on down to Florida, and we're heading to Sebring, the multi-GP race. All right guys, here's our fearless pilot. Going with these guys, and we're waiting on our stewardess to get here, Alex Grieve. So as soon as he gets here, we'll be able to depart, and hopefully he'll serve us drinks during the flight. Alright guys, it's let's see, Thursday morning. We just finished sleeping in Chateau Tent O, and now we get to look at some really cool aircraft.
Less than 5. Yeah, running.
All right, day one wrap up. How's the track?
Hard, very hard. Very
yeah, it's tricky, really tricky.
A lot of input.
And there's a lot of good pilots here. And why is there so many pilots that I would refer to as tweens?
That's the new era, I guess.
I know, all the young whippersnappers.
They're beating us up.
Yeah, yeah. So, cool track.
Good first day.
Yeah, good first day. We'll be back, and the weather was really, really windy today. So hopefully it'll settle down a little bit. That made it rough, but got some laps in. Actually made it around the track a few times.
A couple times.
So we'll see. Maybe we can get 3 laps tomorrow. That seems to be the hard thing to do right now. So we just got back to our hotel, and it looks like the overall structure of the hotel is doing as well. That's what happens when you book into a cheap hotel. You just never know what you're gonna get. They have it like open to the public for whatever reason, I guess, but oh wow, it's pretty cool. What will you be able to see? No. So this is just a cargo transport aircraft. Yeah. Look at that. Feels like the floor is gonna fall. Oh, is the cockpit open?
Watch out for these rollers.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
see up.
Oh, wow, cool. Man, wow, this is way older than it looks outside.
Where do you guys want to go?
Yeah, where do we want to go?
Oh, There's someone looking at you.
They're on to us, boys. Hey, no one knows we're in here.
No. Oh, that guy?
There's a van down here too, but they're just leaving.
Wow.
This is wild.
Look at all the switches.
Look at all the space up here, actually.
Arizona T. Oh, that's probably not original. All right. So this would have been like the navigator guy, right? What?
I guess.
Isn't that what they kind of broke stuff up?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I think in some of the bigger rigs, like they had somebody just monitoring certain things so that the pilots could handle something else. I never kind of understood. I mean, okay, it's an aircraft, but like, can you not add a pinch more space for the guys that have to sit up here?
There's like,
You know what I mean?
90 feet back there of space.
Right. And then you're like,
1
okay,
foot of space back
we're going to need you to turn into putty to slide into your seat and then stay there for 8 hours. I know. I bet it slides back. See that red handle? What's that red thing? Does it move?
It's probably the
Oh my
ejector.
god. Check this thing out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm afraid to
Wait,
come
what's those
out.
things for people who have trouble sleeping at night because they snore?
apnea?
Oh, yeah, sleep apnea. Is that a sleep apnea mask?
I want to put it on, but I kind of don't want to get some disease.
Yeah.
They did say there's.
Oh, so that was the... Oh, let me see that. Look at that. That is cool.
Okay, get my glasses on.
So if you lost cabin pressure...
This is what we wear.
Nice.
Maybe it might have not even been pressurized. You might have to always wear this.
No, they would have had this thing pressurized. No way. Escape rope? What the heck?
It says the expiration. It's only been expired.
Maybe it
for
shoots
years.
a. Maybe you gotta climb out that shit or something.
Should I open the window? Should I open it?
I mean, it probably just pops down. It's probably not neat. Oh! Dude, there is so many buttons in this thing.
Dang.
Let's see. What do we got here? Boeing 727.
727. Okay, so one below the
Made in
737.
1994.
Made in 94. Oh my gosh, I would have even thought this was older than that now. That is really cool. I wonder why it's in a different language up here for the exit sign. That's odd. Maybe it was an overseas company. Wow. Okay, what if you're just goofing around, you push a couple buttons, and all of a sudden it was like, poop, 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 yeah, fire it
So
up.
run right into this
Oh
hangar.
my gosh.
Yeah, that would suck.
How's the seat? Comfortable?
Yeah. I don't know if I could go hundreds of miles in it, but it's alright.
Do the controls move or anything? Are they kind of locked?
I mean,
Yeah.
I think
That's
it
much.
says it's German.
Oh, it was a German company?
AUSGANG is German.
Oh, okay.
I just googled it. And
Wait, that just means... Oh, it's German.
That's
I gotcha,
German.
yeah. Background
what if this
light.
actually moves the rudder? None of this stuff can work. There's no way.
Mm-mm.
What if it's even got batteries still?
Fire extinguisher.
Very cool.